4th May, Tuesday, 2021. Yesterday was a very horrible day, which I don't want to talk about it, and I don't want to remember about it because I want to start the day fresh with a new mindset, not keeping in mind whichever the direction of the market goes. Today it is gap up a little bit. We have another 5 seconds left for the market to open. Let's see how that goes. And there it is. We are expecting it to go gap up, and then go up as well. So let us see. 32,800, 32,800. Let's see how that goes. Let me keep that ready. 32,800 CE. Continues to go, and we'll have some flag pattern formed. I'm looking for some flag pattern, and if it is there, then we can probably expect it to go a little higher. Hopefully, let's see. Okay, there it is. There is my flag pattern, and can I expect it to cross that and go? How many points a single candle has gone? 150 points a single candle is taken. So I expect some sell-off, some strong sell-off. Give me a flag pattern and then continue going up. I'll be happy to take that trade. Is it going to cross? Good strength. Yes, I'm in of it. Let's see. Hopefully it should not take much time. Very nice. That's it. Good enough for me. 1600 first trade. This is usually the case, right? On the other hand, we have Nifty showing weakness. That is surprising. This is surprising. Nifty showing weakness. Bank showing strength. Although bank is still holding up to where exactly it went. It's holding up there. I am happy to be out of that trade. The moment it shows weakness, exactly is where I say, okay, fine. I'm going to get out of this right now. And I'm going to wait until I find another decent trade. For me, I think I am more interested to try out Nifty right now, because if it crosses the low of day, maybe it is weak to not go up higher. Let's see. First trade done at 9:20. I waited 5 minutes patiently for me to take a trade. That's good enough. 14,700 PE. Let's see. 14,700 PE. Let me keep that ready. 300. And can I expect it to cross? Yes, crossed my level. I'm sure. Oh, okay. It's giving a tough fight. Let's see. But the market looks more towards downside. Should I be exiting it? Can I see some strength? I got the trade right about here. Let's see if it has the strength to push it even more lower. If yes, okay. If not, I'm out of that trade as soon as possible. There you go. I'm out. Minus 318, still really good, meaning although it is this far, I'm still with a good number. I'm happy with that trade. Let's see. There it is. There you go. I'm going to execute the same one. Looks weak. Yes, looks weak. Nifty is showing weakness, bank is showing strength. So we cannot tell anything as of now. I don't want to rush in for the next trade, but then I see an opportunity with the downside again. Let us see if it takes me towards something positive. Hopefully, yeah. Okay, so I got into that positive very quickly, and I'm out of it. Wait, how much quantity did I take? Yes, that's good. All right, 2200 on my third trade. I got one more to go. I think this is good enough. I this is great already within a range market. So if I could wait for some time and take my next trade, that should be fine. Otherwise, I'm happy to be out of 2500 rather than minus 900 like how it happened yesterday, which continued to minus 10,000 or 11,000 plus the brokerage charges and the number of attempts. It was extremely horrible, but that is how market teaches you. Only when you lose, you will learn, and you need to come back with a thicker skin, with a broader mind, with an open mind to go either up or down, and then execute the trade with confidence. Right? Again, risk management is important. This I saw it confident. That's the reason I traded with the same lot size, that is 4 lot size. And let's see how it goes now. Bank Nifty showing strength again. Let me see if I get another trade opportunity, I will update. Showing real weakness again. So again, there might be a trade. It might be going down to let's see, it made a small flag pattern. It is probably going back to where it started. I am not sure about it, but if it does, there was a huge sell-off at the beginning. Bank is holding up really well. So that's good. Bank is holding up. What I realized yesterday was sometimes it is not necessary the bank and Nifty has to go alongside. You know, as Nifty goes down, bank goes down. No, that's how I lost major amount yesterday. But it is independent. It's sometimes independent. Sometimes you just have to let it, behave independently. Different stocks in different categories might be, performing differently. So we can't judge yet. You cannot take a call based on that. So that was a good learning. Obviously with a cost, only when I spend money then it'll hurt and it'll remain as a strong feeling, and it'll make me careful, more and more careful the next time I trade. So yeah, let's see. Bank finally showing some strong weakness. Can I expect it to break the bottom and go down? Not sure yet. Let's see. So one side is that I have bank on this side, which has gone up around 200 points. That's nothing for bank, and if it continues to go up, I can expect it to go higher. On the other side, I have Nifty that is trying to fall down, right? Not sure how much it's going to fall down, but not much is what I see, right? So I'm not sure if this is a quality trade. If I have to take, probably will just come down till here, or maximum down till here, which we are not sure of. This is not even the low of day, so probably the end of day is what I'm seeing. It's already crossed the high of day, so I need to be careful right now. And henceforth, if it can push up from here, that's also a possibility. It can push up from there right onwards towards where it started. That is also a possibility. Let's see, we'll have to wait and see. On the other hand, bank is showing strength. How interesting. Bank is showing good strength. Let's see if there is an opportunity for a trade in bank or Nifty. Anything is fine, but I am saying that if Nifty is showing goods and even a little bit of strength, bank is going really high. So we'll have to wait and watch. Okay, market is within a range right now. As of now, there is no trade. Let us see if this continues with good strength, then maybe we have something, but I don't want to rush in. Usually the instrument that I trade, if I take it down again, let's say 14,700, if I have a big huge minus on this, usually it's for some reason it just doesn't work out for me. It just doesn't help that well. So Let's see. Bank is showing strength. It has come to the 9 EMA very nicely, and probably I can expect it to pick up from here. 33,100 is what I have in mind. Let's see. So let me go back to bank. So 32,800 CE. There it is. Can I expect it to go to where it came from? Let's see. Nifty is not giving me confidence to take this trade. I will only enter this trade provided I reach here. The high of day, probably from there it can go a little higher, maybe, but this is a range market. I can never be sure about it. But the position looks very good. The 9 EMA aligned perfectly for it to go up. I can expect a few more points, maybe until it reaches even here. So that is a high probability, unless Nifty shows weakness and it continues dropping from there. So that is again a thought process. We have to see if it really works out. Nifty showing strength, Bank Nifty showing a lot of strength. So can I expect it to go till here? Even if it goes till here, maybe I'll have a good trade. Not that easily though. For some reason, Nifty is not showing strength. So the mindset of the market is that, okay, yesterday it has shot up, today it will continue shooting up, but then market reversed, because most of the traders will be thinking, okay, it's gone up, now it's going to continue going up, and it sold off some part of it. Nifty sold a big part of it, big chunk of it. In fact, it came back to where it ended yesterday. Can we expect it to go back higher is something that we'll have to patiently wait and see. Let's see. Showing a direction. I'm not happy with back-to-back green. I'm not in for that, but I'll have to be quickly in and out if it is so. Can I expect some sell-off? Okay, Nifty showing strength. Bank Nifty about to cross my level. Can I expect some sell-off? Some sell-off. Yes. Some red candle, something right here. And if it shows me a red candle and then it continues going back, then that's a good sign. People are selling it and then starting to continue going back up from there. So that is a good sign. Let's see, but the sells are something that we'll have to be very careful of. There it is. Can I expect it to come back to 9 EMA? Yes, right here. Expect it to come back to 9 EMA, and after that I can probably expect it to go back and take the higher high of the day. Not even completing one candle. So it's a good push, basically. It's a good push. Let's see. It's a new instrument. 32,800 CE is a new instrument. Let us see. But strictly, it is strictly in still within a particular range. It's not letting it go higher. There it is. I didn't let it cross, but then I still took the trade. I'm sure I'm in loss already. Existing instrument. Market shows strength, and as it shoots up higher, and probably can I expect it to go higher from where it started? I took the trade right here. There it is. Very nice. Oh man, that was a quick scalp. I lost money there. What was my position? One more trade and probably I am done. I could have waited for a little longer, or I should have quickly exited, but then the moment I exited, it also shot down a little bit. So can I expect some other instrument? No. 800, that seems to be the perfect instrument actually at the spot. Let's see. I'm glad I'm out of it, but Nifty is showing weakness. I would have got a huge loss. I am happy out of it. Let's see if it comes back. Obviously, you can expect one red candle. That's a good sign, because back to back green, then you have a red candle. Then if it continues to go up, then we are in the trade. I hope it gives me a good black flag pattern. I want it to give me a good flag pattern. I don't want to rush this in this time. It gives me a flag pattern, comes back to 9 EMA, says hi to it, and and everything, and then takes a new direction, strong direction. I'll be happy to take that trade. Let's see. Otherwise, I am going to be out of this. Usually when I see losses starting to come up, that is when I should be very careful and I should call it a day. But then I am seeing the market probably going up. Can I expect it to go up? Let's see. Yeah, the mindset of the market obviously is still upside. That I am very clear of. Even though I came down to this level from where I bought, I did not lose much. Usually with 4 lots you lose in thousands, you know. So the mindset of the market again is uptrend. Hence I got that um, uh, you know less loss. So I'm okay with that. Let's see if I'm going to get anything higher than that, and if it pushes, can I expect a flag pattern of some sort? Even if it comes down till here and then it tries to go back again, I'll be very happy. But then Nifty is showing weakness. Nifty on the other hand is throwing up like crazy. Can I expect it to go down all the way? Give me crossing right there. Let's see. We have 14,700 PE. Let's see if it actually goes down, crossing my level. One more attempt, probably a failed one. Direction on Nifty is changed. Bank Nifty is still showing upside. I'm super happy to be out of that previous trade, because look at the kind of red candles that came out of it. My god, all my earnings would have gone for a loss today. I have to be patient now, even more patient now, to make sure I get into the right trade, or else I am doomed. One more attempt and that's about it. I don't want to risk too much. Let's see. 14,700 PE. Can I expect it to drop? I'm not sure. I'm happy to be out of my previous trade. That's for sure. This is not a good sign. For me at least, it has crossed 9 EMA and it is pushing down lower towards 21 EMA. So not the thing for me. Let's see if it continues to show weakness. Can I expect it to drop? I don't like this back-to-back red candles. Looks horrible. I don't want to trade a candle that is being chased. But I am also having this level in mind. The moment it hits this level, for sure it's gonna reverse back, show some pushback. So as of now, I am not going to trade. Let's see. Trying to understand the risk here, because the moment it hits here, it's an important level. It might try to push back up again. so I'm not really confident in taking that trade. Bank on the other hand is showing strength. Here it is. It came to the 9 EMA, said hi, probably might go back up, crossing the higher level. It hasn't broken it yet, so maybe it will try to attempt going back up. Nifty is showing big huge drop. Wow. Okay, let's see if it is in for it. Can I expect it to go lower? Risky trade. The risky trade, because this is yesterday's closing. A lot of people would have sold puts right here, so they will not let it go so easily. They will just sit there and try to push the market up higher and higher. But let's see if it has the strength to hold it or not. If not, I'm going to be quickly in and quickly out of it. Okay, let's see. That's the level I was worried about. There it is. Yes, that's it. Oh my god. Even though I got in, got out very quickly, I ended up with a loss because people are trying to sell it right here. Wow. From 2300 to plus 1800, that was still okay. I still did not go into minus. I'm still happy. I did not lose much. I'm happy about that. Let's see how this is going to go. Where this is going to go. Where is this going? $14,700 PE. Bank is showing strength. Nifty is showing weakness. Very interesting. Okay, let's say as of now, I'm not going to trade. I don't want to chase this. I might even lose even this. As I said before, if I start to lose, I might end up losing a lot. So I'm going to wait until I see a clear sign up move or something, or a good nice flag pattern down move. Then probably I'll take a trade. Right now I don't want to be even sitting in front of the computer. Otherwise I'll see as this as an opportunity that's keep coming up, and I'll keep losing money. The quick trade, I had bank nifty shooting down, so I immediately saw this. As soon as it crossed my level, I took a trade. I got around 500 points out of it. 500 rupees out of it. It is still showing weakness. Nifty is dropping like crazy because the market thought yesterday that it's going to go higher and higher. This is clearly clearing off everything. We have 32,600 PE. Let's see. 32,600 PE. Very nice. Very nice fall. I happened to catch some of it. I came back to where it is. I have crossed my number of trades, and looks like I feel like I'm going to overtrade now, which I have to be extremely careful about. I don't want to overtrade and get out with a big loss or something. This is a good push back up. It's a very important level. So I am not sure if we have a trade right here. 32,600 PE is what I'm looking at. Let's see if it goes back up and then comes back to try that area again. But looks like I'm done for the day. This is good enough. This is decent enough. And the number of trades also, I have done 2 more from what I'm supposed to do. I got back what I lost, and I also lost a lot with the brokerage. So let us see how it goes from here. If I find any reasonable trade, maybe at 1 o'clock or something, I will probably take it. Otherwise, I don't want to risk my money right now because this is a very, very good push up. I will not be confident. Even if I took a trade crossing this, my instrument will only show more and more loss because people will try to be selling as quickly as possible unless the market continues to drop, which I am not very sure of. So let's see if this is going to be my final trade. We'll update. To get a small part of the spike, it was supposed to cross 32,828. I had marked it, and then it came down here. I took the trade, it shot up, and once it started to resist here, I got out of it with 837 rupees, and that's a good profit for 3,147 rupees for the day. I'm happy. Bank Nifty is moved very less. You can expect it to go even more higher. I am not sure about it, but for me this is all that I need, and this is a good amount of money. So I think I'm going to call it a day, and let's see if we catch up tomorrow, and I have some new setup that's going to help me make money tomorrow. So this is good. This is so tempting. Every time you sit and watch this, you want to enter the trade and want to trade again and again, but that's when you start to lose the money as well. But that's it for me. I'll see you tomorrow.